Alright, so you're going to want to take out your 4 bolts on the cover here and then remove your cover. Underneath your cover you'll see your bearings here. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the set screws on this pulley. You may have to use a puller to pull the pulley off, but more than likely once you remove both set screws off of the pulley you'll be able to pull that off. And then you're going to loosen the set screws on the bearing cap here, and then once you loosen those set screws you remove the 4 screws around the bearing and you'll pull that off the same way you did the pulley.